Hey, it's Doug Cunnington, and I'm from Niche Site Project. I'm going to take a quick look at the Ultimate Azon theme. It's a WordPress theme that Dave Nicosia put together, and I've been really impressed with it since version 1, which came out a little while back. Pretty recently, Dave's added some new stuff. One of them is the drag and drop feature. It's a comparison tool, which we'll take a look at. And there's a couple other tweaks, mainly around usability that Dave has taken care of. So anyway, this particular theme is great for Amazon affiliate sites. In fact, Dave had a great deal of success with his Amazon affiliate site, and he tweaked and optimized the site, both in the design and some of the content that's available, and essentially came up with a way to boost conversions out of the box with this theme. So as you see noted here, you could use it for a large authority site or even smaller niche sites. There's a lot of details here. I'll let you read that on your own. But mainly I want to show you this demo site here. So I've pulled it up here, and you can go take a look at yourself. Look at it yourself if you just click this demo button here, and it'll bring up this other site, so you can really take a look at it. Now this is the home page here. As you can see, it's really clean. There's a room or a space for a custom header here. We'll look at the menu here in a moment, but we'll just scroll down and take a look at some of the main features. So first is this drag and drop tool. So you may be wondering what it really means, and you can just drag these different products and it auto populates, so the user, a visitor, comes to your site and they can actually just pick the ones that they were interested in, which is kind of awesome. And they could actually swap it out, put different products in there and compare different things. In addition, on this table, this comparison table, you can go straight to Amazon by clicking the red button, or go to the full review should there be one for that particular item. And moving on down, you can see everything else just looks really nice and clean. Sidebar here. Let's see, and nothing hugely notable elsewhere on that page. Let's see, so clicking on over to cordless drill reviews, you can see there are basically it's sort of an archive page here for this particular product type of cordless drill. So you hear me mention product type, and if you watch some of the other videos that will be coming out really soon, or they may actually be available right now, depending on when you're watching this, you'll find out that this product type is sort of the hub that brings all this stuff together. So again, this is sort of an archive page, and you can see that you can pull the quick stats here, so you'll remember that this is the same content that was in that drag and drop table. And again, you have the ability to go straight to the review, which is here. And nice call to action button here. There's the ability to zoom, just like on the Amazon product page. So that's really nice. Good usability. And again, pretty standard here overall. And let's take a look here. So cordless drill features. So these are just informational articles here. Gives you a little bit more content on the site and some of the main things that you would maybe put on an Amazon style review site. Let's just take a look what else we have here on the demo site. So this is a nice showcase of basically the I guess typeset and the font that you can get on this particular theme. Again, when we go through all the details in the back end of the site and the settings and configuration, you'll see you could actually, do a lot of tweaking here for whatever font you want. Again, there's another post type actually, and you could do different brands. So that's a nice way to bring everything together. And we're about to, this is a slider, but we're about to get over to a page which illustrates all of these capabilities that you can do. So, as I mentioned, this is a slider tool here, or I guess it's just a slider. So you could put all your products in here however you want. And as you can see, you have the ability to check out the review or go to Amazon. So it's really highlighted. Obviously, you're drawn to these brighter buttons, and those are the Amazon affiliate links there. So it's a nice way to showcase all of the products that you have right here in the slider. So pretty standard, I guess, theme style guide here, so you can see the different headings and the text and that sort of thing. Here's one of the other cool features. So this is a sortable table, an interactive table, and I know these sort of tables get a really high conversion rate overall for Amazon styles review sites. A lot of folks use a plugin called Table Press. I know initially I used Table Press, and it's a little tough to use. Just in general, you have to go to the plugin setting page and then input all this information into particular fields, and you can see there's just obviously there's, what is this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 headings and however many items you have. So you actually have to populate each one of those in the Table Press plugin page. Now for what it does, I guess Table Press is okay. It doesn't look great. Now I really like the way this page looks, and it's sortable. You can't tell since all the products in here are Black & Decker, and it looks like most of the information won't really sort it differently, but there's a couple tables on the demo site that you could check out. But trust me, you could actually sort this stuff. So if there were 16-volt cordless drills, then you'd see those jump to the top here. So the cool thing with this is whenever you create the product type, you have the ability to put in additional information whenever you create a specific post. That information is going to be the information you see here. So for each one of the posts, you'll be able to put in the product name, this field here, the brand, power, the speed, the chuck, and obviously these are specific for cordless drills, and you can put whatever whatever heading you want here. So once you populate that for a particular review post type, then you would be able to just put that particular post into a table. So it may not make sense as I'm explaining it out loud here in words, but when you see the demo, it's super clear. And it gets you away from populating the table one field at a time. So hopefully I think it's video 6 or so. It's one of the later videos that you'll see, but it's really straightforward to put one of these tables together. Okay, and moving on, again, you just see illustrations here of what it looks like for different headings. And again, a slider. So, and here's a table, but not in the full width view that you get up higher there. So again, same sort of content, and here's one that you could actually see some sorting. There's some different brands here. So if we click brand, you'll see it's resorted, Black & Decker's up top, and so on. And let's see, we could just flip it around. So of course you could sort it in the other direction as well. So obviously that gives people the ability to sort by rating, or maybe they're looking for a particular chuck size, so they need a, half an inch instead of 3/8, something like that. Okay, and I think that covers the main features. So you end up with a very high converting Amazon affiliate site, and these are basically tweaks and optimizations that Dave has made over time, testing on his site, and he's been able to see the improvement overall. In addition, this theme has been out for several months now. I feel like it's almost been a year, but Dave's constantly improving this theme. He is diligent and obsessive with taking care of customer support. And there's actually a support forum where he could answer questions. You can interact with some of the other users of the theme to get ideas. And again, top-notch customer service, because Dave handles it all himself. He's not outsourcing this to anyone, and he literally built this theme from the ground up because he's a WordPress developer. So check out the rest of the videos so you can see exactly how to use this theme, and you'll be able to see how clean and easy it is to use on the back end to get a really nice looking site really out of the gates. So thanks for checking it out. Again, I'm Doug Cunnington from Niche Site Project, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Thanks.